वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In the last episode, we discussed that Guru Nanak Dev Ji comes to meet Rai Bular Ji on his request, and the happiness of Rai Ji has no bounds. Now, Guru Nanak Dev Ji has started living in Talwandi for a few days. His family had made peace with the fact that Guruji won't be staying here for long, so they tried to make best of each day, and so did Rai Bular Ji. One day, Guruji was called home by Mata Tripta Ji for lunch. While she was preparing the food, Guruji lied down on a cot and seemed as if he was sleeping. When the food was ready, Mata Tripta Ji asked her maid named Tulsa Dasi to fetch his son so that he can have the food hot. When Tulsa went to wake up Guruji, she didn't think that it was appropriate to wake up Guru Nanak Ji by calling him out. So, she touched his feet. But the moment she touched Guruji's feet, she felt a sensation of presence of the Almighty, and the love for God arise in her. In adoration, she held his feet and caressed them again and again. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 164, Jan Nanak Preet Saad Pag Chate, meaning servant Nanak loves to caress the feet of the holy. While holding the feet, she saw in her mind the whole universe, the whole earth, everything. Then she saw that a ship was sinking, and the owner of the ship was calling out to Guru Nanak Dev Ji for help, saying, as mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, "He Prab Deen Band Gur Puran, Karo Sahay Aan Mam Turan, Jeh Sanbandi Koe Na Satha, Teh Tum Saath Ho Jagat Natha, Teer Sangla Deep Pochavan, Karo Jahaj Bhakt Man Pavan." Meaning, "O Guru Nanak Ji, please come and help me. I don't have anyone except you. Save my ship and help me reach the shore of Sandlapur safely." Further, she saw that Guruji was there and he himself brought the ship to the shore. From this, I am reminded that we too are saved from very difficult situations with the grace of God. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 623, "Vich karta purkh khaloa, wal na vinga hoa." The Creator Lord Himself stood between us, and not a hair upon my head was touched. Friends, the owner of this ship is the same Bhai Mansukh Ji who came to Guruji. We discussed about him in the episode named The Test for True Guru. In the meantime, Mata Tripta Ji told Tulsa, "Go and wake up my son or the food will get cold." But Tulsa replied that Guruji is saving the ship of his disciple. I dare not wake him up. Once he has saved his beloved, then I will wake him up. But Mataji, wondering that even the servants are now making fun of us, that our son has become a saint, she went and woke up Guru Nanak Ji lovingly. She brought him to kitchen and served food. When Guruji had finished his food, Mataji asked him that, "My child, if you stay here and become a family man, people will start respecting you." Guruji asked that, "Has anyone said anything disrespectful to you?" Mataji replied, I sent Tulsa to wake you up, and she came back saying that you are saving a ship of a beloved. I can't wake him up. Guru Nanak Dev Ji smiled and said, as mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, कमली चमली के बच ऐसे, इसके कहे ना मानो कैसे. Meaning that she is mad. Don't be angry for what she says. But friends, there was strength in Guruji's words. It's written that Tulsa Dasi actually became mad till she died and got eternal peace. She wasn't actually mad, but in a state where she got immersed in remembrance of Lord's name. She had forgotten everything about the worldly affairs, but was totally connected to the Almighty. She remained in tranquility throughout her life. After staying for a few days in Talwandi, Guruji went to stay with Pai Lalo for a few days. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Thank you.